Today we'll be learning about secant tangent rules by Krystal Hunter
and Kelique Austin.
Key info. A secant segment is a segment of a secant with at least one endpoint on the circle. A tangent segment is a segment of a tangent with one endpoint on the circle. Secant tangent product theorem. If a secant and a tangent intersects in the exterior of a circle, then the product of the lengths of the secant segment equals the length of the tangent segment squared. The secant on this circle is line AC, and the tangent on this circle is line DC. The formula for secant tangent product theorem is the whole times the outside equals the tangent squared. The formula for this circle is AC times BC equals DC squared. Real world example.
Meteorology. A weather satellite orbits Earth at a distance of SE of 6,000 miles. Given that the diameter of the Earth is approximately 8,000 miles, what's the distance from the satellite to P? Round to the nearest thousandth mile.
The formula for this example is AS times ES equals PS squared. To start, we plug in the numbers. 8,000 plus 6,000, which is A plus S, which equals AS, times 6,000 equals 14,000 times 6,000, which equals 84 million squared. PS equals 7 and 56 thousandths times 10 to the 15th power, or this. Example number 2. The formula for this circle is line AC times line BC equals DC squared. To get line AC, you have to add the whole line up, which is 15 plus 5, which equals 20, and you plug it in. 20 times 5 equals 100. 100 equals x squared. We got x from line DC. We don't know the measure yet, so we put x, and it's squared. To get the square root of 100, which equals, the square root of 100 equals 10. So x equals 10. DC is x, so DC equals 10. Example number 3. The formula for this circle is AC times BC equals DC squared as well. Plug in. We got 9 from line AC. You add 5 and 4 together, you get 9. So you plug that in. 9 times 4 equals x squared, which is the missing. 36 equals x squared. 9 times 4 equals 36. Then you have to find the square root of 36. The square root of 36 is 6. So x equals 6. and DC equals 6. Here is the thinking question. For this question, the formula is QM times PM equals NM squared. You have to plug in all of the numbers that you have. So QM equals Y plus 3 times PM, which is 3, equals NM squared, which is 4 squared. You have to distribute 3 into the parentheses, so you got 3 times 3, which is 9, and 3 times Y equals 3Y. And you plug it in, it's 9 plus 3Y equals 16, which is 4 squared. Then you subtract 9 from both sides, and you get 3Y equals 7. You divide 3 from both sides, and you get Y equals 2.3. So Y equals 2.3. QP equals 2.3.
Thank you for our presentation slide. Presented by Kelique Austin
And Krystal Hunter.
Thank you. Please subscribe.